Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about crypto.com coin, Cronos, and this bull market that may be coming a little sooner than we expected, or are we still in a bear market? We're going to talk a little bit about that and more in today's video. Guys, if you like this kind of content, make sure you smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every single day for you, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscribers, so you don't want to miss out on that. Let's take a peek here at these charts. Bitcoin and crypto having a pretty good day so far. Over the weekend, we had some crazy price action here to get started, really. The crypto market cap is back above 1 trillion, and looking at Bitcoin, $21,300. Guys, if Bitcoin can continue this movement and break up out of this above this previous peak here of $22,500, guys, we are looking at a 25K Bitcoin in a hurry. So right now we're at a very pivotal point. We broke through this little resistance here, and now we're kind of on our way up. Nothing goes up forever though, so we're gonna have to see here if we can continue bullish again. November and December typically bullish. Now, if Bitcoin goes up, we can expect Ethereum to continue going up as well, which it's been up. I think it's up 20% over the last month right now, Ethereum, over through October, which is fantastic. Again, October traditionally a very bullish month. Shout out to a couple projects right now. Solana, smash your like button if you guys are holding some Solana. Recently, an announcement came out that Solana is doing a lot more and has a potential partnership with Google. But one of the biggest stories that's moving Solana up today is that officially you can use your Solana NFTs on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram, where you weren't previously not able to do that. So people see this as a very bullish story. And so Solana is ripping and roaring up today. And, it's been down for a while. So good thing if you're holding Sol, pretty good pump for you today. So smash your like button there. Matic has been ripping lately, but CRO Coin also on its way, ready to tear. I got to point something out, and I haven't really talked about it. Algorand is a good project, and Algorand does have an association with FIFA in regards to NFTs. It details, look into that, give that a Google, guys, but there is a partnership going on with Algorand and FIFA for this FIFA World Cup. And look, over the last 7 days, you had a 25% pump on some of that information. Folks knowing that going into this FIFA World Cup. So what do you think could happen to Cronos, which is the exclusive sponsor for the FIFA World Cup when it comes to crypto, and also featuring its NFT capabilities by being the engine for a partnership with, I believe it is Visa and FIFA. Pretty cool, guys. So there's a lot of really cool things happening. I think Cronos, look, we're at 12 cents today, which is fantastic. We're going to look a little more at the chart here in a second, but guys, there's room for us to break out and get up to 13 and even this 15-cent level. We'll get more into that in a second, but guys, got to put into the framework here. You got to understand where we're at in the market. Now, I got to admit, I'm feeling pretty bullish. We're getting into November and December. People were just very bearish the other day. The script quickly flipped as Bitcoin has been going up above 21,000, Ethereum high $1,600 price range, Cronos obviously into 12.5 cents. The fear and greed index is showing it's a little less fearful as it was yesterday, actually 8 points up from yesterday. So that's a pretty big jump, which means people are inclined to want to start buying right now. But remember, if you bought last month, the fear and greed index was down to 26, which means people were more fearful. If you buy while there's fear, then you will make more money. Here's another cool chart to look at where we're at in the market. I don't know if you've seen this before, but this is the Bitcoin rainbow chart, and this is supposed to give you guys an idea of what's going on here for crypto and Bitcoin, and what we can look at in terms of the trajectory for Bitcoin and what we might expect to see coming. So as you can see here, you can see all the different prices over here. This was all the previous bull runs, 2013 up to 2016, and the crash, right? Here's the peak in 2017. Here's the peak back in 2021. And notice, guys, this is diminishing returns. We broke up a little bit more out of this parabola back in the first bull run. This next bull run in 2017, we actually went up a little less into this kind of heat chart here to the higher end of the rainbow range. And this one, we kind of had this weird double peak, and we didn't get up as high. Now, there's a chance that we could get up, and these are all the halvenings, right? So if you don't know, the Bitcoin halvening is the thing that triggers these bull cycles. For the next halvening, which happens right here, we're expecting the high is right around here, but will we be more towards this yellow band as our peak? If so, we're looking at kind of about a $180,000, $150,000 Bitcoin. If we get up to this orange band, you're talking about a $250,000 Bitcoin. But guys, if we get up into this red band, we're talking about a $600,000 plus Bitcoin. And that's when Bitcoin overtakes the market cap of gold. So, and this is something we've talked about as well. Why am I talking about Bitcoin on the heat map? Well, guys, first of all, trying to show you where we're at in the market. This is where we are today. And guys, we are down in this blue area, which means it is basically, according to this graph and this publication, blockchaincenter.net, this is basically a fire sale. This is exactly what we've been talking about ever since we created this channel, that if you've been buying, guys, this entire time, you have an opportunity to make some money. And if you start at the beginning of the year, sure, there might be some losses from the front end of the year, but as you get here to the bottom, you're getting some very good prices. And we expect, just as we've seen in the past, crypto to start creeping back up. Look how it comes back up. It scoops right here and it comes back up and touches down right before the halvening, and then boom, same thing. Start coming back up, kind of came back down to the blue, and then the halvening, and we're going up again. We start to move up on our way to the halvening, and this is coming. Guys, we could honestly get back up to $38,000, $30,000 within the next 2 months or so. And guys, remember, November, December is very, very bullish. So what does this mean for CRO Coin? Well, guys, we're breaking out right now, which is fantastic to see. And when you look at the 30-minute chart, we're looking a little overextended in this rally, but we're going to go out to the weekly chart. And guys, we're printing 3 green candles in a row on the weekly chart, and that's how things start. Look, you get a rally of a couple green weeks in a row, and all of a sudden we have a big price move. And I think the next price target really for us, the big one at least, is kind of this 14, 15 cent region, as you can see. When you look at what's going on here, we can get back up to these peaks and try to kind of break back above them. So we'll have to see what happens. Looking like maybe the end of November, I might expect us to be around that 15 cent price level. But guys, I'm feeling really bullish. Remember, we've got the FIFA World Cup coming up. Algorand's had a great time with it. I think crypto.com is only a matter of time before we break out, get back up on our way to that dollar price point, knowing, guys, that it is a top 10 DeFi project, knowing that it is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world with one of the fastest growing user bases in all of crypto. Guys, I'm bullish, bullish, bullish. Buy the dip. Hold on for the long term. If you guys like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you've got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.